So back to talking about financial discipline, do you think is mostly and mainly about cutting expenses?
No, it's not even about cutting expense, first of all. Yes, you do have to manage your expense at some point so that it doesn't overtake your income. But sometimes there's a school of thought that I agree with that don't worry about the expense. First of all, worry about your revenue. That if you take care of that, you probably will be able to cover your cost. That's the concept of cash flow. So first of all, be able to generate value, revenue, money. That's the first thing. It is money you have that you're not trimming not to spend. And then once you consistently generate significant revenue and you've gotten to that point, you now say you want to keep aside. It is what is now left that you now say, how do I manage what is left? That's when you now start cutting your expenses according to your budget. Remember what I said? Earn a lot,
Yeah.
keep aside. What is left over is what you now need to start cutting the expense so that it fits into that third element, because you know that the first one you kept aside, you don't have access to it again. That is the way I see expense. So it's not about cutting expense. It's about the discipline to say, this is what I'm spending, and then fitting your cost into that. But the first step is earn, keep aside, cut your expense to fit the rest. We all do it upside down. We get the money, we spend, and then we keep aside what is left.
Yeah.
Even government does not trust you. That's why they remove your tax before you get the money. Because if they ask you to take money, but please pay your tax, I can guarantee you that you will not pay the tax.